Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in Baltic Gray. With LED headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, adaptive cruise control, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7283A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.